Swati, you can take the lead from it. You can start your session.
Yeah, thank you, Aman. So, hello everyone, and welcome to this session. First, I will give my introduction. I am Archana Gupta, food and nutrition expert at Nirogam. Today we are here to talk about kids nutrition and why it is important, what are the superfoods. So we will talk and discuss everything today. Before starting this session, I would like to tell everyone, if you are not able to see my screen, please stop me in between. And if you have any questions, we will give you 15-20 minutes at the end of the session. You can chat, like you can mention your messages in the chat box and we will take care of that. So here we go. So first I will share like what are the highlights for today, what all the things we are going to discuss. So today in this session, we will discuss the importance of healthy diet for the kids. What is superfood? Thirdly, we will discuss 5 superfood, which is very, very essential for the kids' diet. Fourth one is the sample diet chart. So here I wanted to mention that this will be a general diet chart. So if your child has any health issues or any kind of food allergy, so you can take an appointment with me. You can connect Aman. He will connect you two with me. And fifth, we will talk about one homemade protein powder, which you can make it mix in the milk and other item, which I will tell you later on. So these two highlights, which we will cover in this topic today. So what is the importance of healthy diet for the kids? So basically, good nutrition is very, very essential for the kids during childhood as well, because this is the time for growth, development, and other activities as well. Apart from this is the time, vital time for your healthy teeth development and further decay as well. So good nutrition and balanced diet is very, very important here. Now we come to the superfood. What is superfood? So superfood basically, which is very high nutritional value with very less calorie. They are basically contained all kinds of vitamins, minerals, and usually they are on plant-based. So now in this category, first food is the sweet potato. Sweet potato is easily available nowadays, and we can, it is like, it has all kinds of vitamin A, vitamin C, it is rich in fiber, it has rich in iron as well. So it is very healthy and nutritional snack we can include in the kids' diet. We can give it to different forms, like we can boil it, we can grill it, in the form of roast. You can give it to child, like you can add pinch of salt and lemon in it, and you can give as an evening snack to the kids' diet. So second is the berries and other vitamin C rich foods. So these are again very nutritious. It will boost the immunity of the child. Apart from this, it has fiber content plus little protein as well. We can give in the form of smoothies, or we can do as a fruit chart. So it will be, yeah. So it will be very healthy and nutritious thing which we can include in the kids' diet. Then third is very common fruit, that is apple. It is again fiber rich and vitamin C rich, which is very good for the vision as well. So if the child has any vision issues, so we can include this fruit. It will give you a good fiber content as well. So it is very, very healthy fruit in which we can include in the diet. Then fourth one is the corn. Corn, which is, it's again very good for the vision problem. If the child is suffering from vision issues plus dryness in the eyes or some kind of redness in the diet, so we should include this corns in the diet. Maybe you can give in the form of like boiled corns or roast, you can roast it and give it to them. So it is again a very important and healthy food for the kids' diet. Then fifth one is the kale. It's a green leafy vegetables and it has abundant portion of nutrition like vitamin A, vitamin C, and it has calcium as well, which is again very important for the bone development, teeth development. So kale is itself a very, very important superfood, I will say. You can give like in different forms, like you can give in the form of vegetables, you can mix in the stuffing paratha, like if you are making some stuffing paratha, you can mix these leaves in the stuffing and you can give it to your kid. Apart from this, you can use it in vegetable wraps as well. So there are different ways where you can include these vegetables in the kids' diet. Now it's time for the sample diet chart. So as I told you, it's just a general diet chart which I'm sharing now. So we will start the diet with the warm water and some soaked almonds for the kids, which we can give. After that, we can give milk to the kid. Then breakfast mein you have different options like sweet dalia you can give, suji porridge you can give. Apart from this, if you can give some vegetable sandwiches. So these are all healthy options for the breakfast. Mid morning and evening snack mein we have to include 2 servings of the fruits. So one at mid morning snack and another serving you can give it evening at 4 p.m. So 2 servings of fruits you can give in the form of fruit chaat, in the form of smoothies. So these 2 fruits we need to include in the diet. Lunch and dinner की अगर हम बात करें, like lunch you can give simple rice, roti, some seasonal vegetables or dal. Here I wanted to tell one thing, that the protein is very, very important in the kids' growth and development. So few things like protein, calcium, iron, these things should be included in the daily diet. Like green leafy vegetable, you need to include 1 serving in a day. Calcium, you can include dairy products, milk, and other things. For protein, you can go for different lentils like dals, kidney beans, anything which you can include in the diet. If we talk about late evening, like around 6 p.m., so there are other options which is again very healthy and filling for them. So we can give the boiled sweet corn, we can add some butter, pinch of salt and few drops of lemon, so it will be more tasty and nutritious. Then second, we can give green sprouts to them. So we can boil it and we can serve to them. We can add some vegetables like tomato, onion in that, and we can give to the child. If child is non-vegetarian, they can include like boiled egg, we can give to them. Or semolina upma or suji upma we can give to, we can serve in the diet. If we talk about dinner, so dinner again like normal chapati and vegetable plus dal you should include as a protein source. Other protein sources you can include like if we talk about vegetarian source, you can go for paneer, dals and other thing. Non-vegetarian, you can go for chicken curry or egg curry or these type of things you can include in the diet. Plus stuffed paratha, you can include some green leafy stuffing in that. Another option is vegetable khichdi you can give to child. With normal vegetable khichdi, you can use any dal and you can make a khichdi for that. Then milk, ninth after dinner, after 1 hour, you can give milk, and you can mix with a pinch of turmeric powder in that. So adding turmeric powder, it has multifold benefit here. One thing, in this age, I normally see that kids are suffering from constipation a lot. So if we are including milk at this time, so it will clear their stomach in the morning. Secondly, turmeric will give you the immunity. So it will again boost the immunity. So you can include some turmeric, like pinch of turmeric in that. Next is the homemade protein powder. So here I am going to share one protein powder. Like normally what we do, we buy outside powders like Bonvita or Horlicks or any other powder. So if we can make it at home, it's a one-time exercise. You can make it at home. You can keep it in airtight box, and whenever you require, you can add it just 1 spoon, either in the milk, or you can make it some porridge. You can add it in that also. So the ingredients are here. We took like almonds, walnuts, peanuts, white oats, flax seeds, mishri, milk powder, muesli powder, and chia seed. So what we need to do, here I mentioned the quantity as well. So you need to dry roast the walnut, peanut, and almonds in the separate pan. And in other pan, you need to roast oats as well. Once they will dry roast properly, and it is like cool down properly, you can mix it, you can blend it properly and make a fine powder is that. Then you can mix properly, and you can keep it in the airtight glass, and whenever it's required, you can use it. So here you can use it like in the milk. Whenever you are giving milk to the child, you can add 1 spoon of this powder to the milk. It is very nutritious, homemade. It has high fiber content. It has protein. So it's complete for all. It has antioxidants. So it's include everything. You can use this powder, and so that's all from my end. Thank you so much. And you can follow me on my Instagram. It's Archana_G19. So this is my Instagram. So do you have any questions?
Hi guys. So if you guys have any questions, I mean, that was a great session, Archana. Very much
Thank you,
informative for
Aman.
everyone. I request everyone, if you have any question, please write in the chat box. Reena Rana from here will take your questions and ask to Archana directly. Reena Rana, over to you. You can ask the questions directly to Archana.
Thank you so much, Archana. Thank you, Aman. Archana, that
Yeah.
was a really great session. And,
Thank
you know,
you.
being a mother, I know the importance of, you know, kids' nutrition and how to make them, you know, eat the nutritional, you know, food. And I think most of the mothers would be knowing the pain of making the kids eat the
Exactly.
food. So that was really great session. So I'll just take a few questions.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is, okay. From Etty, there is one question. Diet chart is for which age group? Like, you know, it can be for any age group kids, or like it's any age specific?
Yes. So here I want to tell you, see, I gave you the options like suji. For breakfast option, I gave suji porridge and dalia porridge. So any age group related, like from 4 years to 12 years, child can follow this. If your child is very small, like 1 or 2 years, so you can give suji upma, and in the form of mashed thing you can give it. But from 3 to 12 years child, they can follow this diet chart.
Great, great. I hope, Etty, the question is like, you know, you got your answer. So there is one question from Komal. Can we make the kids eat curd in the night? Is it advisable?
Curd, I will suggest you can give curd in the afternoon, because at present winter is going on. It may cause cold and cough. And apart from this curd, it's better to give in afternoon. Either
Okay.
curd or buttermilk, in any form you can give.
Okay. Okay. All right. And there is one more question. When can we introduce these superfoods to kids? Like at what age?
Okay. So if your child is 4 years, 3.5 or 4 years, you can include like the superfood which I told you, like kale or sweet potato. So if your child is very small, you can boil that sweet potato, you can mash it and you can give it to them. Apart from other superfood like berries and strawberries, so you can give like from 4 years of age, you can give. No problem at all.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
I hope that answered your question, Komal. So there is a last question which I'm gonna take.
Okay.
Is it okay to give kids nuts without soaking them?
No, actually, without soaking nuts, so I will not allow, like, I will not suggest to kids as well as adult as well, because it is not easily digestible if you will not soak the nuts. So better you soak it overnight, then you can give it to your child.
Okay. What if the kids like to, they munch the nuts just like that without soaking them? So is it like
So
okay?
you can give other nuts like walnut hai, raisins hai, cashew hai. These nuts you can give without soaking. But
Okay.
almonds you should soak, because
And
it has outer covering, it has some chemical like tannin, it says tannin. So we
Mhm.
avoid without soaking and give to child. Even it is not advisable to give to adult as well.
Okay, okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Archana. That was really
Thank
helpful.
you.
I hope I have answered all the questions. If somebody has got any more questions, you can directly send it to Archana. She's in our community, and you can follow her on Facebook and Instagram as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Reena. Thank you for taking up the questions. I would take a couple of minutes for all of you guys to introduce to what we are doing here. I would love to introduce you to Satviko. Satviko is a superfood of India brand. We are standing for the superfoods. We are taking the flag of superfoods to the world. You can join a community to know more about Satviko and to know more about superfoods. What we do, we have around 7,000 women, 7,000 moms out there in our community who would love to tell you more about superfoods and answer all your questions. Also, if you have any other questions in respect with Archana's session, you can put it in the community and we can take it from there. Also, now I'll be running a poll. I request all of you to kindly rate the session accordingly. So I'm running the poll now. Kindly, please, guys, put in your honest opinion on the sessions. Thank you. You will wait for 10 more seconds. If you have not written or put in your poll, please kindly do that. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining in. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope it was informative for you. Thank you, Archana ji, for hosting this
Thank
session with us.
you. Okay, Aman. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining in. You can reach out to Satviko on our community. You can reach out to Satviko on our Instagram by @the rate Satviko. Similar on Facebook and YouTube with @Satviko. Thank you for joining in. Good night. Hope you stay good. Thank you.
Yeah, good night.
Thank you.